Hi, this is Ashwini Chube and welcome to our channel. Such a pleasure to reach out to all of you. Thank you for watching the channel. In this video, I'm just going to introduce you all to what Unicorn Insight is. Unicorn Insight started in 2016 primarily as a company meant to transform people's lives. And since then, it has taken different shapes and forms to finally become the company what it is today. And in the beginning, although we began with a bit of soft skills training, communication training, personal development, eventually we became a company which helps you transform at all levels: physical, mental, emotional, and spiritual. The company or the brand Unicorn Insight is all about making you the better version of person, the best version of person of what you are. Hi, this is Ashwini Chube. I'm the founder of Unicorn Insight. And when I began this company, there were a few things in my mind which I wanted the company to take its own shape. But I always believe that with time, things gradually take their own form and shape. In the last almost 5 years, the company has gone through a lot of ups and downs, has been collaborating with a lot of people. But eventually, today, what it is, and especially today, as I talk about this in 2021, this company is all about being that one brand which gives you an overall holistic outlook for happiness, joy, and success in your life. And we do a lot of activities, and obviously in each of our upcoming videos, this being the first one, we are going to talk about all that we do as a part of Unicorn Insight. Well, although I am the founder of this company, we have a small team of consultants who work directly and indirectly with me and who have also taken steps to take the company to another level. Primarily, the company is run by me along with this team. Our clientele is everywhere, right from corporates to individuals to groups of people to communities. We have catered to everyone. Right now, in the last 1 year, when we have been in the lockdown, not stepping out of the house, we have been operating a lot online too, and that has expanded us to take our work to all the other parts of the world, right from the Americas, Australia, Europe, the Far East, and of course all over India. To know more, you can log on to our website www.unicorninsight.com. And yes, our upcoming videos will give you all the overviews about what we do as a company, what we do, and how can we help you to make your life bigger and better. So are you ready? If yes, stay tuned in this series where we talk about who are we and what do we do in Unicorn Insight. Once again, this is Ashwini Chube, the founder of Unicorn Insight, expressing our deepest gratitude to all of you who are watching our channel or watching us on social media. Stay tuned for more on this. Thank you very much. I hope you have a great day. Thanks.